The Rizal Monument in Lunita Park, Manila. The Rizal Monument is the main attraction inside Rizal Park, which is still popularly known today as Lunita Park in Manila, Philippines. It is usually looked upon as the main monument in the Philippines because it was built to commemorate the country's national hero Dr. Jose Rizal. The Rizal Monument consists of an obelisk sit upon platform with a bronze sculpture at the base of the obelisk. It is located near the site where Rizal was executed on December 30, 1896. The entire Rizal Park as well as the Rizal Monument is managed by National Parks Development Committee, a connected agency of the Department of Tourism. The place is guarded continuously by official soldiers known as the Caballeros de Rizal, Knight of Rizal. People try to mock at the two ceremonial guards but they couldn't any response from them. The focus of the two soldiers is awe-inspiring because no movement can be seen unless they take their 15-minute break every couple of hours. So, the Rizal Monument in Manila is one of the most acknowledged tourist attraction in the Philippines. Asking for direction from local is fairly easy. If you're a Filipino, you shouldn't miss this place. I know you've seen Rizal Monument in your books while you're in the elementary level and seeing it in person. It's just simply amazing. Just don't try to make fun of the honorable ceremonial guards. The execution of Jose Rizal on December 30, 1896. Rizal Park history began in 1820 when the Paseo de Lunita was complete just south of the walls of Manila on a marshy patch of land. Next to the beach during the Spanish rule period to the park, the marshy land was the location of the small town called Barrio Nuevo, New Borough of Bagumbayan in Tagalog. What dates back to 1601, the town is churches being close to the walled city, were strategical use as cover by the British during their attack. The Spanish artillery anticipated the danger posed by the settlements that immediately surrounded Intramuros in the terms of external attacks. Yet Church of Special advocated for this village to remain because of the part they played during the British invasion. They were clear after the short rule of the British from 1762 to 1764. The Church of Bagumbayan originally enshrined the Black Nazarene because of the order to destroy the village and its church.